There are a few ways how to create projects in Canva. One is by, basically create a new design. So if you want to create a design, whether it's blank or whatever, it's going to create a new project. So I'm going to just open up video right here, and I'm not going to name it anything. I'm just going to just add, for example, a clip there or something. Let's add, for example, this clip. And once you do that, you're going to see that it's actually create a project. So if I go back home, for example, click in this in the upper left and click on Canva, and I'm going to go to projects, you will see that it automatically creates a brand new project because I've opened up a new project. So you can see right here, this is it. And yeah, I'm going to delete this one. It's rubbish, right? Now, another way how to create project in Canva is that once you click on project on the left side, you have the plus at the upper right, and you can click on that and you can do a new folder, new course, new design, new whatever, right? And once you do that, that's going to start a new project as well. So let's say I want to do a new folder, and I can call this whatever. I'm going to call this test. I click and continue. You can see that that's going to allow me to get started with new project if I want to open that and basically create something inside. So create a design. I'm going to do that as well. So that's it.